my girl.
Hello Glossians! Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video you guys are going to see a Miniso haul. Yes guys, if you don't know what Miniso is, it is a Japanese store and we are so obsessed by the cute products that we get in the store, so we are going to share them with you today.
And it's not only a haul video, it is good.
Don't. So to know that, you guys should see this video till the end. Yes guys, watch it till the end. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So guys, here are the products. Let's begin. Yay!
Guys, first off, we have a cute hanging organizer which you can place it in your room, and this is only of rupees 250 and it has 3 compartments. And you can place any usual stuffs you want, like cute makeup sets or any other regular supplies. Okay, so the next product is this.
It is a really cute facial brush. As you can see, it is used for washing your face and cleansing your face. Basically, you can use this product by wetting this product and applying facial wash onto it. And there's a really nice lather which forms and cleanses your nose area and removes all the blackheads and stuff, and it helps in rinsing your face very well. So it's a really nice product, and the price of this product is just 260 rupees. Just 260 rupees. That's it guys. And the next product that we have is this. Miniso headphones with microphones. It's a cute earphone guys, and it has a polar bear at the earplugs, and in this era of AirPods, this is a must guys. This is so cute and it's very pocket friendly. It's just for rupees 250 bucks, and why not give it a try guys. And they have collaborated with Cartoon Network. Next product is this.
Okay, first of all, I'm really obsessed with this cute little yellow bag. You can take this out when you're going in field trips with your friends or something, because it's so cute and it's very handy. And I guess it's only for 500 rupees, so I think it's really worth it, so you guys should buy it. So next product is
this. It is a makeup brush set. As you can see, we have all different kinds of brushes in this. Yes, the product quality is really good. I personally tried it, and not kidding, rather than investing in pricey brushes when you're just beginning, it's actually better to go with such products. It's really good. You can see we have all different kinds of brushes, one for blush, one for your eyeshadow, and one for your eyebrow and stuff. So yes, it's a really nice product. Do buy it guys. If you're a beginner at makeup, it's a must for you, and it's just for 150 rupees. Just for 150 rupees, so definitely have this in your makeup pouch. So what's the next product? Okay.
This is the product, and this is a Twinkle Stone deodorant spray. It comes in 2 variants. Blue one is Sea Mist and the pink one is Rose Cloud, and they are super cool. Let me try the fragrance. Damn guys, you should try this out. This is a must product from Miniso, and the cost of this is just 90 bucks each, so yeah, it is very worthy. So let's try it. The next product is this. A cute eye mask, and it is made up of cotton and polyester guys. This is not just an eye mask, it has a gel in it. It helps you guys for reduction of dark circles, and if you guys are a night owl like me, then it's a must for you guys. And girls who live in hostels, this is a must product. You should buy it guys, and this comes just for rupees 260 bucks. What can I say? You guys should try it out. Next product is this.
this. As you can see, it's so cute. It has a little queen wearing a crown on her head. I didn't tell the product's name. It is a really cute cosmetic bag. As you can see, it's a really cute bag and all my makeup products are fitting into it really good, and I can carry this bag wherever I want. Whenever I'm traveling, whenever I'm going to my friend's home, I can carry this. It's really handy, and also the price of this product is just 350 rupees. Just 350 rupees. So do invest in this, guys. It's really good. The quality is also really good. So that's why we prefer Miniso products basically. And yeah, also they have collaborated with Cartoon Network for this product. It's really nice. So do give this product a try, and this was our last product. So we are done with the haul.
Okay, at least now can I say what I wanted to say in the beginning? Okay. So this wasn't only a Miniso haul, it was also a
Giveaway! Yes, we are giving out all these products that we showed in today's video to you guys. Any two of you guys can get these products. So
how to participate?
for that, stay tuned on our Instagram handle, guys. We'll be posting there regularly all the details, what we are gonna do and how this giveaway is gonna happen. So stay tuned there. Don't forget to follow us. It will be linked down in the description.
And also, don't forget to like, share, comment down below
And
subscribe
to our channel, guys. Meet you all soon with
another video.
till then.
Bye bye. Stay tuned.
Bye, guys.
Oh wait. We forgot something.
Today's shout outs, obviously our favorite part, and it goes to
Hitashri and Janani Suresh.
thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to our channel and commenting down below. We love you guys. And also, if you guys want to shout out on our next video,
Comment down below, guys, as done, and we guys will give you a shout out.
that's it, guys.
Bye.